Gina. Now I promise I do have a design I'm working on for you guys, and I'll get it up by this weekend or around this weekend. But I have another bead box to share with you. This actually comes in a bag. This is the bargain bead box. And like I said, it comes in a bag, not a box, to save on costs and allow more beads to come in the subscription. Now this is the website here. I don't know how well you can see it on my iPad. I have it on the nighttime screen, so it's a little dark. But this one is for $17.95 a month. That's a really good value. And this is the website right here, Bargain Bead Box, and I will put the link in the description box below. I will also put one up here so you can see the name of the website. Also, if you use the code GGC2, you will get $2 off your first shipment. So that is just a code they gave me to give you to get a discount from watching this video. And if you decide from this video that you want to get your subscription box, then put in that code and that will be cheaper for you. $17.95 is one of the cheapest ones I've found so far. And as I'm scrolling through, you can see some of the past boxes, some of the things that have been in it. And you can just go ahead and go to the site and check that out. Let's go ahead and look at the bag here. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Let me back off just a little bit. I'm going to open it so you can see how it's packaged. I did pull the piece of paper out earlier just because I wanted to see. There's also a few things on the piece of paper that comes in it. They have a creations contest. So if you show us what you made with your show them what you made with your shipment, it gives you a website to go to download your pictures or whatever. You can win a $25 gift certificate to the Bead Box Bargains. So go ahead and read your piece of paper, because it also has coupons that you can use and so on and so forth once you get one of your bead boxes. So make sure you look at that. And then, let's see what's in here. It comes in a pretty little pink bag. This one is Pink Blush or something like that is the name of this one. Oh, I'll figure that out in a minute. But anyway, let's look at this and see. Get this open. That's a pretty heavy bag, so there must be quite a bit of stuff in here. Oh, so we have some nice chain. I want to see how much chain is in here. If I can get it open, I'll show you. Well, that's a really nice length of chain. And look, it's pretty too. It's not that real fine chain that just falls apart or that you can't open and close. This is a really nice chain. So, and it's a real nice long piece too. So we've got some chain. And then we've got this nice finding to make a necklace with. You could put this in the middle as your focal. That's really nice. And then got little charms that you can hang off of it. These are like little clover charms. I'm going to take one out and show you. I'll show you this too. Someone told me before, you should take it out of the bag. So I'm going to take it out of the bag. See, this is really nice. Put chain on either side and then hook charms or beads or whatever you'd like on there. You can make something pretty cool with that. And then let's see, we've got some, I was going to show you the charms. Move this stuff aside. Let's look at these charms in here. I like getting some of the different findings and things that I don't usually buy because I do mostly weaving, so I don't get a lot of these things. And these are really cute. Look at these. And just hook them together with chain or with jump rings. Those are really cute. And put those back in there. They will get lost. There's a bunch of them in there too. quite a few. They have each bag numbered too, so I'm assuming that on the back of the piece of paper here, yes, it tells you exactly what everything is. So if you get the number of the bag, so 15 was 1 meter of 3mm steel Rolo chain, and that was this. So that's number 15, and I'm going to put it back in the bag just so I can keep this straight. And then 11 is the 25-piece 4-loop links. I really like this. This is such a better. I've gone through boxes before where I tried to figure out which. There was a list of stuff that they sent, but they weren't numbered or categorized. So I was trying to figure out what was what, and that can be difficult to do when you're opening a box on video. This is really nice. It tells exactly. And there's 25 pieces in here. That's quite a few. And the big one was number 14. So that is a 93mm crescent chandelier pendant. So that's what that is. And then I've got some number 16, 2-piece chandelier findings. So you could use this as either a pendant or earrings. I've used them as pendants before too. And that's what that is. Those are really cute. Those would make some nice earrings. And like I said, it would make a nice pendant too. You could hang a crystal in the middle, and then you could also hang stuff down from the loops. I like that. And then we have, this is number 6, 50-piece 4mm swirled rondelle spacer. I like that. I love to have little metal spacers. Let me get you a little closer so you can see what they look like. I'll put a couple in my hand so you can see them. I really like little metal spacers when I'm stringing and doing wire work, dangles, things like that. I love to have the little wire space or the little metal spacers. See how cute those are? And that's a lot of beads. There's 50 of them. Each one of these packages has a good amount in it. There's not like 2 or 3. There's enough to actually make a piece with. That makes a difference, especially for the price of this box. That's not bad at all. Then we have number 6. This is number 9. Wait a minute. Number 9. Nope, this is number 9. And that one's number 6. And this one is 2-piece 24 by 15mm man-made druzy teardrops made of resin and brass. Let's see what they look like. Druzy is usually kind of pretty. Let's see. Oh, those are cute. These make cute druzy pendants. Let me get you close. Those are not bad at all. Those are really cute. I am really impressed with what comes in this box. I really like this. It's fun. Different things. And then number 12. Let's see. This is 20-piece 7mm star bead caps. And no, I'm not going in order, but it's labeled so I can just look right over and see. Oh yeah, these are pretty. Little bead caps. Get you close. Oh, you are close. You can see. And there's quite a few of them in there. So there's 20 pieces. So you can actually make something with that too. Nice. And then we are going to look at number 7, which is 12-piece 10mm crackle agate round beads. So there's the gemstone. These are pretty. All of these are pinks and blush tones in this particular package. Peaches, pinks, they're really pretty. That's nice. I like gemstones. And then this one is number 2, and it is an 8-inch strand of 8 by 6mm electroplated Chinese crystal beads, peach opal. I have some of these. I like these. These are pretty. Let me back off just a little bit. So those are peach oval beads. They look like rondelles, actually, to me. Larger rondelles. Those are really nice. little sparkle. And then this one is number 8, and it looks like it's another druzy pendant, but this one is 30 by 16 millimeters, so it's bigger. So you could make earrings with those other two and a pendant with this one. So I would put this one and on as a pendant, maybe even make a rope with pink beads, pink and cream or something, and then here you have your earrings. Quite cute. Let's see. So you can make all kinds of stuff with this particular box. I'm just going to leave these out. I know what they are, so I don't have to put them back in the numbers. And then this one is number 17. This is 3-piece hook and eye clasps. So let's see what they look like. So you just hook into them like so. Pretty cool. Those are different. I haven't used any of these before. Those are really pretty cool. And let me put these back in here so I don't lose the pieces and parts. So there's 3 of those. And then number 5 is 4-piece 20 by 16 flower medallion charms. Let's look at these charms, see what they look like. But those are pretty. You could make quite a elaborate pendant here, chandelier pendant with all these different components. I'll make something out of it and show you guys. But have to get my mind wrapped around it here. This is number 1, and this is a strand of freshwater pearl button beads. And it's 13.5 inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeter. These are really pretty little freshwater pearls. So, you know, there's nice stuff in this. I like it. Those are pretty. And then this one is 10-inch strand glass rondelle bead peach. These are pretty. I like these muted colors. They're really pretty. That's nice. I like that. And then we have 100-piece Chinese crystal bicone beads light rose. Those are them. Those are sparkly. They seem sparkly and pretty. And when you're stringing these Chinese crystal bicones, they work out fine stringing. I don't really use them in my weaving, but for stringing, they work out really great. And with the different colors, they've sent good complementing colors. So these, all 3 of these things will look really pretty together. So put this crystal and get some of this stuff straightened out just because. And then I have, looks like rose quartz. Yes, 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter rose quartz round beads. That's a nice gemstone bead. I love rose quartz. They're one of my favorite. I like quartz, but look at, that's pretty. It's really nice. And then there's another strand. They're smaller. This one is approximately 4-inch strand of 6 millimeter rose quartz. So let's get this out. Look at that. That's really pretty. All of these colors are quite nice together. All of these beads are nice. I like the fact that they send gemstone beads. This is agate. This is quartz. I like that. Some freshwater pearls. That's nice. That'll make some really pretty stuff. And then some more crystal here. Your chandelier pendant and all the components. for $17. I don't know how you could beat that. And here are the druzy. Those are really nice and lightweight. They make good earrings. And let me back off just a little bit and show you completely what comes in this bag. And then of course you've got your nice little bag that you make a necklace or something, you can put it in if you sell it or if you just want to keep it or whatever. That's nice too, just to have that. It's a little added bonus. I have a bunch of these I keep just to put my stuff in, and I enjoy it tremendously. And here are a few things I put together really quickly. I'll pick this one up and show it to you. It doesn't look very good laying down because of the way that I made it. Of course, it's kind of a chandelier type, and it looks better if I pick it up. And it looks really nice on the neck. This one is the rose quartz and the agate, and I just put it together on a little stretch bracelet, and it's really cute. So I was just really fast, quick little thing to do. And then I used the faux druzy with the bicone crystals that came, and I used my own seed beads, just a few 11-ohs and a crimp cover and a little bit of beading wire and a clasp, and I just threw together this little necklace, and it's really cute. It makes a nice little set. I just put ear wires right on the smaller drops that came in the package and made a cute little set of faux or man-made druzy. I think it really turned out pretty. I think the pink with the pink druzy, the pink crystals are really nice. So that turned out really pretty. Get you close. And then let me pick this up so you can see what it looks like. If I can do this, I don't know if I can. But this is what this looks like. I have the chain perfectly draped to where everything lays really pretty. Let me see if I can get it. It's just hard laying it down to make it look halfway decent. The dangles actually lay right in between each loop of chain that I put on here, and when you put it on the neck it just lays really perfectly. And then I also made the sides, I just put the chain towards the outside and it lays really pretty in a nice little loop on the sides here. So let's see if I can, maybe I should do it this way, turn my film around so you can see it like so. So this turned out really pretty. I started making earrings with the findings that were sent, but I ran out of chain because I used all the chain on the necklace, and I started making these, but I really would rather have some chain. They're just not turning out the way I wanted them to, so I'll get a little bit more gold chain. I don't usually keep a lot of gold findings. I use a lot more silver, so I don't have any in my stash, but not a little Rolo chain like this anyway. So I will have to pick up some and make some matching earrings to go with it, but I think it turned out really pretty. But anyway, that's just to give you an idea of a couple of the little things you can make with this box, this bargain box. I still have quite a few things, some charms and several things left that I could make a couple more things with, but I just wanted to give you a basic idea of how many things you can throw together really quickly. So anyway, that's my pieces that I made for my bargain bead box, and I hope that it gives you a few little ideas, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to check it out, and don't forget to use the GGC2 code. Bye-bye.